Welcome back, student. Today we will continue exercise 11.2, example 1. See, I am reading the example. Draw circle of radius 6 cm. Draw 6 cm line segment. For accuracy, you take 6 cm exactly. Okay, I am taking this 6 cm radius in compass. Take up. Okay, fine. Now draw a circle. Look here, 6 cm. You must ensure you must ensure 6 cm this side. It is above, so shift it. Draw it properly, 6 cm. Okay, mark this center, say center O. Next, from a point 10 cm away from its center, construct the pair of tangent to the circle and measure their length. Now take ruler. Mark 10 cm distance. See, 10 cm. Okay. Draw it. Okay. Say this point is A. Now, using compass, draw perpendicular bisector of OA. Okay, you are knowing it. With center A or O and radius more than half of OA, draw perpendicular bisector. Okay, yes. Now mark these points properly. Right? Using ruler, join these points and draw a line. Okay. Using ruler, join these points. It cuts OA at point say P. Clear? Now, with center P and radius AP, yes or no? With center P and radius AP or PO. Draw circle. Okay. Now see, this circle intersects the circle with radius 6 cm at point say T1 and T2 through A to T1. Draw tangent. From A to T1, draw tangent. From A to T2, draw tangent. This tangent A T1, A T2. Okay. Now you are asked to measure length of the tangent. You can measure. It is 8.2. You can measure. It is 8.2. See, A T1 equal to A T2 equal to 8.2 centimeter. Clear? Okay, students. For drawing tangent from point outside circle, understood. Now we will take example 2. See, construct a tangent to the circle of radius 4.4 centimeter from a point on this concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify measurement by actual calculation. Concentric circle means what? Circles with same center. Two or more than circles with same center are known as concentric circles. Now you are asked to draw circle with radius 4 centimeter. Please take radius 4 centimeter. You got 4 centimeter. Exactly. Now I am drawing circle with radius 4 centimeter. Circle with radius 4 centimeter drawn. Say center O. Now we will draw concentric circle with radius 6 centimeter. Now we will draw circle with radius 6 centimeter. Take 6 centimeter in compass. Taken. Now center O. Center O. Draw circle. Drawn. You drew concentric circle with radius 6 centimeter. Now we want to draw tangent to circle with radius 4 centimeter from a point on concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter we drew. Take any point. Suppose we take this point. Any point. You can take here, 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 anywhere. So let us take this point P. Okay. Join OP. Okay. Now, find perpendicular bisector of PO using compass. With radius more than half of PO, now draw perpendicular bisector of PO. You are knowing how to draw. Okay. Now using ruler, join these points. Right? Join these points, right? See. Say this perpendicular bisector intersects PO at point say A. Now draw circle with center A. And radius PA. Now this circle intersects inner circle at point, and at this point say T1 and T2. Okay, mark this point and this point T1 T2. From P to T1 draw tangent. Now from P to T2 draw tangent. We got PT1 PT2 both tangents, and length of PT1 C 4.5. 4.5. So PT1 equal to PT2 equal to 4.5 over. Now we will take example number 3. Now we will take example 3. Draw circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter each at 7 centimeter from center. Now we will take example 3. Understand properly. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. First we will draw a circle, then we will extend one diameter. Okay, then we will mark point P and Q on either side. The distance of which P will be 7 centimeter from center and Q is also 7 centimeter from center. Right? Then draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. First we will draw a circle with radius 3 centimeter. Take radius 3 centimeter. draw circle. Now see, we are drawing diameter extended on either side, so draw the circle in middle. Done. Say this, mark this center, mark the center O. Extend this diameter on both sides. Extended this side, extended this side. Now using ruler, mark point at 7 centimeter on both sides from center. See, I am marking 7 centimeter point on both sides from center. This center 7. I am marking this point. Again, on this side I am marking from center a point at 7 centimeter. See, I am marking this side also. Yes, I have marked point on both sides of diameter at 7 centimeter from center. So this point is P and this point is Q. Okay students, now again like earlier example, draw perpendicular bisector of PO and perpendicular bisector of QO. Okay, with center O, radius more than half of PO, mark arcs on both sides. With center P, with the same radius, cut the arcs drawn. Same radius I am keeping. See, because of PO equal to OQ. See, I am drawing arcs on both sides. With center O, drawing arc which cuts the arc drawn. Right? Now see, we got these points. Got it? Now join these points. Clear? And draw. Okay? Again join these points and draw. Okay? See, both perpendicular bisectors intersect PO at this point. Say A at this point. Say B, means A is midpoint of PO and B is midpoint of OQ. Right? Now, with center A, radius PA equal to AO, draw circle. Again, with center B, radius BO and BQ, draw circle. See, both circles are intersecting the given circle of radius 3 centimeter at these points. At this point. Yes or no? Now, say this point is T1, T2. Right? This X and Y. Now, join PT1. Join PT2. Join QX. Join QY. Clear? See, PT1, PT2. Both are tangents. Also, QX, QY. Both are tangents. Clear students? Very simple. Understand example, watch video. Now we will take example 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Take radius 5 centimeter. Be careful and draw circle. See students, look here. It is given, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Look here, I am drawing freehand diagram. If I draw this diagram, see, circle, center, radius. I draw this tangent. Okay. Also I am drawing other tangent. So this angle is 60 degree. That is called both tangents are inclined at angle at 60 degree. Now if I join this, it's 90 degree. Yes or no? So sum of opposite angle equal to 180. So this angle at center O is how much? 120. Because 120 plus 60 is 180. Clear? Did you understand this, children? Two tangents are inclined at 60 degree means this point is known as common point of both tangents inclined with angle 60 degree. Okay. Now, in the same way, first we will draw one radius, any one radius. I am drawing one radius. I will draw one radius. I am joining this point, say one radius, OP. Now we got, if these tangents are inclined at 60 degree, then angle at the center in this quadrilateral will be 120. Okay, so that at point O, we can construct 120 degree angle using compass. Yes or no? See, I am taking compass. Center O, suitable radius. You are knowing how to construct 60 degree angle, 120 degree angle using compasses. I am taking compass with suitable radius. Then draw an arc which cuts OP at this point. Again, with this point as a center and same radius, draw an arc. We got 60 degree. Again, with this point as center and same radius, draw an arc. Say this point is arc on this point. Okay. Now, draw radius passing through this. Now, draw radius passing through O and this point. Clear? See, this radius intersects circle at point say Q. Clear? Then see, children, we want two tangents inclined at 60 degree means we have to construct 120 at center. Why? The 60 plus 120 is 180. Okay. Now, we will draw perpendicular at P. You are knowing how to draw perpendicular at P using compass. With suitable radius and point P, draw an arc we drew. Now with this arc cuts Q at this point. Now with center, this point and same radius, 60 degree, 120 degree. We want to construct perpendicular at P. So the 60 plus this 60. So I want 30 next 60. So I will draw half of this. See, I am getting. Students, you are knowing this. We have practiced. Clear? Now join this point and P using ruler. Join this point and point P and draw, lengthen it. We got tangent at point P. Say this tangent. Similarly, we will draw perpendicular at Q. Now join this point to Q using ruler. Now join this point P, this point to Q and extend. See, both tangents are intersecting at this point. Both tangents are intersecting at this point. Say this X. You got it now. This angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. 120, this is 60 degree. And therefore, we can write xq equal to xp, an angle qxp equal to 60 degree. Okay students, please watch the video 2 times and construct yourself.